Namaste, I'm Abdu Rozik. I love India. I'm more love India. I'm more love people India. Very, very good food India. All, everything. India, very good. Very good. I love India.
What do you love the most in India? Is it Bollywood? Do you love?
Yes, I love Bollywood. I'm in the small see Bollywood. All loving Bollywood.
Okay. Do you love Salman Khan? And we have seen that it is in IFA. Salman Khan met you. How was the experience meeting with him?
First time I see bro Salman Khan in IFA. I'm very, very happy. First time see, sitting, talking. After second time also I see in India. Now I'm with bro Salman Khan working in movie. I'm Bhaijan.
Bhaijan.
Yes.
Okay.
In a Bhaijan movie. Yes.
And we have heard that there is a music album also you are working
Yes,
on.
yes. Now my first music coming Indian music. There's two. One dancing club. This for happy. One romantic. This name dancing happy. Name music Habibti Hayati. This another pyar. This romantic like this.
And in romantic, is there any lead actress? Is there any actress?
Yes, yes. Sister Jacqeline. How? In this two song, this in the one Sister Jacqeline how?
Okay.
Yes, in two song, in the one.
Okay. Do you love other than Salman Khan? Do you love any other actor?
Yes, I love Bro Shah Khan. Also another. I love.
Okay. And tell us which song do you love the most? Which song you used to sing?
Your favorite song?
Your favorite song?
My favorite song, Indian or my
Indian,
song?
Indian.
Indian. My favorite song is Bro Salman Khan song. This Dil Deewana. My favorite song. I'm sing. Dil Deewana, bin sajuna ke maane na. Dil Deewana, bin sajuna ke माने ना ये पगला है समझाने से समझना ये पगला है समझाने से समझना.
Any Shah Rukh Khan movie song you want to sing? Any Shah Rukh Khan movie? I'm no understand this. No, I'm see movie.
Any favorite song of Shah Rukh Khan you can sing?
Favorite song of Shah Rukh Khan?
No understand.
Amir Khan.
This. Okay. This here. Okay again. This here cutting maybe again. Okay.
And any Shah Rukh Khan song you like the most?
Okay. Yes. एक लड़के को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे सपना कोई जैसे अपना कोई जैसे सपना कोई जैसे अपना कोई. ओ एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
What is the one message you have to give to your fans?
A message for all my fans. I love all my fans. Burgir. I'm talking. Please support me in my music, new music, in my movie. Please support me.